You're not ready for this. Seriously, what you're about to see completely changes the game for compact drones. This is not just another small upgrade, not just another yearly release. This is a massive leap forward in what a sub 250-gram drone can actually do. This is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Ultra light, insanely powerful, and packed with technology that honestly feels like it belongs in a much bigger, much more expensive drone. And today we're not just casually opening the box. We're diving deep, setting it up, breaking it down, and pushing it to limits most people wouldn't even try. Right from the moment you pick up the box, you can feel something different. There's a certain weight of expectation here, a sense that this isn't just another product, it's something designed to dominate, and once you open it, that feeling instantly becomes real. Inside, you're getting the Fly More combo, and if you know anything about drones, you already know this is the version that actually unlocks the full experience. We're talking 3 intelligent flight batteries, a multi-charger, the upgraded RC2 controller with a built-in display, and a compact carry bag that turns this entire setup into something you can literally take anywhere without thinking twice. And that's where the Mini series has always been strong, portability. But this time, it's not just about being small. It's about being small without sacrificing power, performance, or features, and that's where things start getting crazy. Let's talk design first, because at a glance, it might look similar, but the moment you hold it, you realize it's not. The arms feel stronger, more rigid, more refined. This isn't the fragile feel that earlier Mini drones sometimes had. This feels solid, confident, ready to handle more aggressive flying. And finally, something users have been waiting for. They've included a built-in propeller holder. It's such a small addition, but it completely changes how you transport the drone. No more worrying about bent props or awkward packing. Everything stays locked in, clean, and protected. And then you start noticing the sensors, because this is where the real upgrade hits. This drone now has full omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. That means forward, backward, upward, downward, and sideways detection. It's constantly scanning its environment, constantly adjusting, constantly protecting itself. This isn't just about avoiding crashes. It's about unlocking smarter flight, smoother tracking, more confident movement, more freedom to push boundaries without constantly worrying about hitting something. Now let's move to the heart of this machine, the camera, because this is where it truly separates itself from the competition. You're getting a super compact gimbal system that feels almost impossible at this size. It's small, lightweight, but incredibly precise. The stabilization is on another level, giving you smooth cinematic shots even when conditions aren't perfect. The lens is bright, sharp, and powerful with an f1.7 aperture, delivering excellent low-light performance and professional level detail. And the real game changer is real-time vertical shooting. Switch instantly between landscape and portrait, and create content for every platform without compromise. This isn't just a drone anymore. This is a flying camera system. Now flip the drone over, and you start seeing even more advanced tech. You've got precision ground sensors that help with accurate landing and stable hovering. You've got enhanced positioning systems that lock the drone in place with incredible accuracy. Even in challenging environments, this thing holds its position like it's anchored to the air. And then we get to one of the most important parts, battery life. With the Plus batteries, you're getting up to 45 minutes of flight time, which is insane for something this small. Yes, it slightly pushes the weight over 250 grams, but the extra power and longer airtime make it completely worth it. Now let's talk about the controller, the RC2. This is a fully integrated system with a built-in screen, upgraded transmission, and a smooth, responsive feel that makes flying effortless. No phone needed. Just power it on and you're ready to go. But here's the real question. Can something this small actually compete with bigger, more expensive drones in real-world conditions? Can it handle tracking, range, stability, and performance under pressure? Because this isn't just an unboxing. This is where we push this drone to its absolute limits and see what it's truly made of. Stay locked in, because things are about to get crazy. Drone Dominator.